So this 3D printer is making a, is either a dragon or a dinosaur? I think it's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur paint holder, or not paint, pencil holder pot, whatever, pencil pot. A pen pot, like a holder or something like that. Now the stringing, we know what it's from. It's just not going to affect this, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, you can see his little tail is focus right there. So, but you know, I could make a huge one. Hey, no, that's not. No, that'd be kind of cool. But I'm not gonna, cause.
What would you do with it?
I don't know. We have like a. I guess you can make probably something that's like 1.5 feet tall. Yeah.
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 So if we only put it, what would you do with it?
I don't know, kid. It's too big to sit anywhere, but that's okay. I don't know. I can find something to do with it. Maybe. Hopefully.
Well,
Yes, maybe. Okay, so when this finishes, I might video it again. And we're back with more of the printing. See, and his tail, well, he's a little bit more done. He's a little fat thing. His mouth isn't there yet, but we're getting out to his neck and his little tiny hands. So yeah, it's a T-Rex, I think. Well, he's got spikes. With spike T, it's gotta be a dragon then, because spikes, T-Rexes don't have spikes. Well, in theory. If they do, they're not, you know, they wouldn't be bones, because whatever. I'm rambling. So, yeah, it's getting more done. And we're done. Yeah, you speak English good, Jen. Yeah, but the stringing, we know why it's happening. We just, at the moment, don't have the money to fix it because we need to replace the extruder, which is that thing, and that thing so the bowden tube doesn't go all the way up. It's gonna be short. So, we know how to fix it. We just don't have the, well, we don't have the money. So, but yeah, we will soon-ish, and then we can fix it. So yeah, bye. Almost on the head, or face. It's on the neck at the moment. And then it's moving on to the neck, or face, which is not facing forward. It's more sticking out, because remember, this is for pencils or pens or whatever like that. So you'll see, I'm getting attacked by a thing. No, you'll see it when it's done. See, you can kind of see, his mouth is open. Sort of. Well, it's wide open. So it looks a little funny. I actually don't even know if he has eyes. Does he have eyes? I can't remember. But he's almost done, so I'll be back this time when it's done. Maybe, hopefully. And it's done. And I gotta let it cool down. And then I can take it off. And then it's definitely done. But it looks cool, so I'm happy with how it turned out. So, yay! The 3D printer is pretty much finished. Like a fix. It wasn't fit. It doesn't really long. I'm rambling. But we know what the problem is, and we know how to fix it. So we'll fix it.